Okay, 3-liter top-filled humidifier, no filter. This video is described for those who are blind or visually impaired. This unboxing is done to give us all the experience of the unboxing process. So, the 3-liter humidifier is a little smaller. It's your standard square box, a little more elongated for the humidification factor of it. Higher top surface. No filter. I must say that again. There's no filter in this, but it does have aroma options. You can purchase, different things, aromatherapy options. So it looks like the box is well packed. There's foam here holding everything in place. Foam is removed. We have the humidifier, which is round, and we'll pull back. There it is. In the interest of safety, I'll pull the box out of camera focus. Put the humidifier down here. Examining inside the box, we have a few other items. One, the manual, which I highly recommend reading, and the bottom half of the packing foam. Top-filled humidifier is great for small to medium-sized rooms and environments where it is dry all the time. As you can tell, dry in the area here. So with the winter months, it's important to have these in our home. It's also important to follow safe operating instructions. I personally, because I don't live with good access to clean water without minerals, I recommend using filtered water with these units. So there is the manual in a nutshell. We shall go ahead and take a look at the unit itself. It has your standard 2-prong adapter, plug it in, on-off switch, and your adjustable nozzle for different levels. So it's top filled, making it easy to fill up. I do have to say this is well packaged. I'm not going to undo the knot holding the bag on. I'm just going to go ahead and remove the bag as I see fit. Take off the lid. Everything's inside here. Well built, I have to say, well built. I've seen these around and I'm impressed. In here we will have also the option for the diffuser, and that will be explored within the manual. Thanks for watching. Once again, this is described for the blind and visually impaired, and I hope you've enjoyed watching this as much as I've enjoyed putting this together.